Okay, part 2 then wants us to go on and integrate this between 1 and 0. That 1 and 0 are the x values, when x equals 0 and when x equals 1. Because we've turned it into u take 1 over u, we've turned it into an integral in terms of u, we need to turn our bounds into u's as well, which we can do very simply just by letting or seeing when x equals 1 what u is, and u will be e plus 1. That's all we need to write there. We don't need to work that out as a number. In fact, we don't want to write it as a number because this is an exact answer. And when x is 0, we're going to have that u equals e to the 0 plus 1, and e to the 0 is 1, so that's going to be 2. So our new bounds are that u equals 2 and that u equals e plus 1. U minus 1 over u du. Now this we can't integrate as it looks either, but we can quite simply split that into two separate fractions. We've got u over u minus 1 over u. U over u is obviously 1, so we've got 1 minus 1 over u. That's what we're going to integrate between 2 and e plus 1. So if we go ahead and integrate that now, we're going to get u minus ln u between e plus 1 and 2. I've not put mod signs around this because I've got positive numbers here. So if we now apply our limits, we're going to have e plus 1 minus ln of e plus 1 minus 2 minus ln of 2. So if we collect everything up here, we've got an e, we've got a plus 1 and then a take away 2, so that's minus 1. We've got a minus ln e plus 1, and we've got a minus minus, so a plus ln 2. That doesn't quite look like what they gave us. They gave us, in the answer, that we've got an e minus 1, which we have, and all they've done is just taken this ln and written it as one thing, which is very easy to do. We've got a minus ln e plus 1. Sorry, those brackets are... that maths is incorrect. Should have put my bracket there. So we've got our e minus 1 here at the front, and then we've got a positive ln 2 minus an ln e plus 1. So using our division law for logs, that's going to be a 2 on the top over an e plus 1 on the bottom, which is what they had. No, it's not. They've done it as a minus. This one, they've done the reciprocal. So they've put a minus sign. ln e plus 1 over 2. I don't know why they've done that. That seems more sensible to me than this one, but that's how they chose that they wanted the answer.